Hi guys, welcome to the Cooking Center. Today we will make tacos. Alright, so let's start cutting up some vegetables to put on the tacos. So let's cut up some tomato. So tacos are really nice. They're really good dish. I love them. They're nice and easy to make. Love the taste. I like them I like my tacos a little spicy, not too much. So I'm just cutting up some tomato and some cilantro. So yeah, I just cut some cilantro. I'm gonna cut up a little more. Yeah, I like cilantro, I like tomatoes, I like onion. They'll really add to the nice flavor of the tacos. Almost all cut up. Say that cilantro is nice and cut up. So put it to the side. Now I'll cut up the onion. My favorite dishes. I love tacos. Fry a little bit because these onions. Okay, now everything's all nice and cut up. Now I'll start cooking the meat. I have a pan. Put some oil in. Right. Now, I'm gonna add some hamburger meat. I'm gonna crush these up to turn into some beef you can use in the tacos. Crush these hamburgers up. And I'll add in the onion and parsley. Grab that. And we'll start cooking. So I'm gonna put it on high heat. And just cut up with my spatula into small taco meat sized pieces. Throw out some spices. Tiny pieces. Okay, cutting it up into some tiny pieces. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna turn down the heat a bit so like medium heat. Just cutting it down. I'm gonna do a little off camera. Alright, gonna cut down the hamburger meat and I'm gonna add some salt. Okay. Pepper. So cook this at medium heat. Oregano. And finally we'll add in the onions and parsley. And I'll cook this all up for maybe about 10 minutes. And I'll be back. There it is. I'm gonna add the taco seasoning, mix it with water. I'm gonna add some sauce. It's done, now I will go plate it. Alright guys, it's done, so now I'll try a bite. Delicious. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.